Hey everybody, this is day 72 of my public speaking challenge. Right now, I'm at one of my friends' house near Copenhagen, and we've just been chilling today, having fun, eating some good dinner, getting a couple beers, a couple drinks. Before now, we're heading into town in Copenhagen, meeting with some other of my friends, which is gonna be very fun. Yeah, I've just been enjoying the day today. It's been lovely seeing some people that I worked with in Austria again. That's been very, very good. And yeah, I'm just grateful for the opportunity that I have to meet with them again and having fun with them and seeing them again home in Denmark. That's been very good. I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend, enjoying the weather. The weather's actually been pretty good here. And yeah, just enjoy yourself. Remember to relax in the weekend. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow.